In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account. Now, what you first need to do is you need to go ahead and deposit money onto eToro, which you should have already done if you're trying to withdraw funds. And basically, the account that you use in order to deposit funds will also be the account that the money will go to. So whenever you do withdraw money, the account is going to go from eToro to that bank account that you did per earlier whenever you go ahead and made a deposit. So whenever you press on deposit funds over here, the first time it would have asked you to actually link a bank account, and basically with that bank account you went ahead and deposited money into eToro. But now, because we're withdrawing, all you want to do is you want to select on withdraw, then go ahead and select on the amount right over here, and then you want to go ahead and press on continue. The last few numbers of your bank account should be right over here as well. And by the way, if this is not the bank account that you want to withdraw your funds to, then what you need to do is you need to change the payment method. And in order to do that, we actually need to go ahead and contact the eToro customer service, which is a little bit unfortunate. So what you would need to do is you need to look eToro customer service, then go ahead and contact them. And essentially you want to go ahead and contact an agent and speak to them and let them know your situation. They will ask you for a verification, so please have your ID ready. Okay, but once you're 100% sure that this is the bank account you want to withdraw funds to, all you want to do is you want to press on continue, then it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction, and then after that, you want to go ahead and press on continue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.